Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a video on how to make a simple washer in Fusion 360. This will be a solid design. All the designs I'm going to be doing tutorials for in Fusion 360 for now are going to be solids. But anyway, let's get right into it. This will be the washer we're designing. I already threw some dimensions up on it, so we could get this video rolling. So you can see the outer diameter of this is 1.5 inches. The inner diameter is 0.688. And the thickness of the washer is right here, and that would be 0.085 inches. So let's get started with those dimensions. Go to our blank sketch plane, select create SketchUp here, and then pick the XY plane. It really doesn't matter. We're going to create a center diameter circle, and then another center diameter circle inside of that. Then we're going to come over here to sketch dimension. We're going to dimension the inner circle to 0.688 and the outer circle to 1.5. Now we are going to finish sketch. Okay. Now we go to modify and we go to press pull. We select this ring because that's the profile of the washer, and we pull it up a distance of, well, what was it? 0.085. So there we go. That is as simple as it is to create a washer in Fusion 360. So as we'll see, we now have this body here. It's three-dimensional body. It's body 1. If we want to, we can change things such as the physical material that it's made out of in Fusion 360. Those will change some of the properties for some of the more advanced tools such as rendering, animation, simulations, things like that. We're going to go down here to the metal, and we're gonna pick like steel. I don't know, stainless steel. Stainless steel. And we're going to take that and we're going to drag it directly onto the object. Okay, well, it already kind of looks like that. We're going to try this one. I made it a little better. It's a little shiny if you get it in the right angle. But I'm going to show you how to do a few other things if you are just doing this for practice. Let's try the fillet tool. So we're going to select the fillet tool, and then we're going to select edges or faces or features that we want to fillet the edges. So that's going to be like rounding off the edges. So we're going to select that edge. Actually, let's get rid of that. We're going to select this edge and this edge. Now we can do constant radius. We already selected the edges and features. That can stay how it is. Tangency weight. The corners, there's not going to be any, so that doesn't matter for now. And this radius we're going to put to probably something like 1/4 of whatever that three-dimensional pull was, where we pulled the body into existence out of the sketch. So that was 0.0. Wow, what was that? Let's see. 0.085. And so if we press fillet, this edge, that edge, 0.85 divided by 4. I'm going to press enter on that, and that should give us a 1/4 fillet, quarter of the total thickness on the edges, and now we have that rounded edges on this washer. If this washer needed to be changed after the fact, like if you already have it to this step and now you want to change the size, all you got to do is go into Sketch, Sketch 1, right click, Edit Sketch, and you can change the dimensions after you put them down. So you double click on a dimension after pressing Edit Sketch, and you can change these dimensions. So 0.688 we're going to leave, but this one we're going to change to 3 inches. Then we're going to finish. Everything else is going to stay as it was, and it will process from there. And there we have a 3-inch washer. That's going to conclude our video for today. Very simple video. Our next video we will be going over a slightly more complicated object, and we will keep stepping it up from there in each video following. Thank you very much for watching. Leave comments on any other tech-related videos you'd like to see. I'm sort of a jack of all tech hobbies, if you will. Thanks for watching. See you next time.